Hi, how are you? My name is Anjal and I'm here to teach you this beautiful song Bella Ciao from Money Heist. Now, the entire song has only 4 major lines along with 2 main chords, so if you know all of them, you should be good with this song. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right into it and see how the song goes. Okay, so here we are. Let's break down the entire song to its bits and parts and let's learn it note by note. Now, like I said, there are only 2 main chords you really need to learn. The first one is an A minor chord, goes something like this. The second one is an E major, you just move the entire shape 1 up. There you go. If you know these chords, we are all set to do the song. So let's dive right into it. The first line of the song goes something like this. So I'll play it to you first very slowly. It goes like. Okay, so let's break that down. So from the A minor shape, I'm just going to lift up my first finger. That leaves the middle 2 fingers still on the second fret of the third and the fourth string. Now, from the right hand, I simply play fourth string, second, third string, second string. And now the 1 comes back, making the A minor chord again. And I play the 1 this time on the second string and I do the third string again. Okay, so this part again it sounds like A minor. Very good. Same thing I play again. So I again do it. Very good. Now the third time when I do it, I stop at the 1. So I do it again. And I just stop there. Next, I have 0. So I just pick that up again. I do the 2. I do the 1 again. Here again I take a little pause and then again do the 0. Then again the 2 on the third string. And then I just end it with 3 zeros on the first string. So if I play it to you up till here, sounds like this. Very slowly we have. Very good. Now if you notice, I never lift off my middle 2 fingers. Okay, so these 2 fingers will still remain on even for the next line. So the next line, if I play it to you, goes something like this. So we have. Okay, let's break that down. Now technically you can take them off, but it's easier if you just keep them on for the whole 3 lines of the song. So if I play it to you, break it to you again. So we have, still the shape is still on. Last we did was 0 0 0. Now I do a 3 with the pinky, this time on the second string. Then I do the 0 on the first string. Now the first finger comes in for the 1. After that a little break. The next I do 1 0 3. 1 0 on the first string, 3 on the second string. Okay, with my pinky finger. And then I again do the 1 0 on the first string. So I'm really just reading it. Okay, next part again same notes, just different orientation. We have again 0 this time on the first string. I have 3 again, the same 3 we have been doing. And this time the 1 is on the second string, so just an A minor chord again. I take open string, open first string, 1 again, 0, and then 2 on the third string, the only note on the third string for this line. Okay, now it can be a little confusing, but I'm telling you, if you just read it, it will soon make a lot more sense. So I'll play it to you one more time. Just this part sounds something like this, very slowly. So we have. Very good. Okay, so now comes the third line. The third line is exactly like the first line, so let's quickly play that. So we have again very slowly from the A minor chord we go. Very good. Now comes the fourth line. The fourth line a little different but still have the same kind of core to it. So if I play it to you, sounds like this. So we have same start. Very good. So if you look at it, only one section is changed. Otherwise, the entire part is pretty much the same. So again, we had the A minor chord on. We did the 3 0 1 1. 3 on the second string, 0 on the first string, 1 1 on the first string. Now is where the changes come. So now you just, if you can, just drag your pinky, just stretch your hand, open it up, or you can just take it off and come for the 5. I prefer to just stretch it. And the next notes are 5, 3, 1, again to the 5, and then 0. So this part is the only new part. One more time, the 5 part, you have 5, 3, 1, 5, 0. Very good. After that, again everything is the same. So you again have 0, 3, 1, 0. And then the last 4 notes, 0, 1, 0, 2. So if I play you this line one more time, very slowly goes like this. So we have very good. And the song actually repeats after that, but we can quickly end it with an outro which sounds something like this. So it goes like this. So we have okay, let's break that down. Now, if you read it, this part, I'm telling you, it's a lot easier than you think. Let's break that down. So on the third string, we start with second fret, do 2, 1. Then we do 3, 2 this time on the fourth string. Okay, now you can see how my fingers are, like using third finger is for the third fret only, middle finger for the second fret only, first finger for the first fret. I don't mix them up a lot, otherwise you might make this part or this section actually very difficult for you. So keep them saturated, give each finger a fret so you don't confuse yourself. So one more time, we have on the third string, we go 2, 1, then you do 3, 2. That's the first part. Next you do 3, 1, this time on the second string, 0 on the second string, and then 2 on the third string. Okay, now you kind of do the same thing and you go reverse also. So we do the same thing again. So we again do the same thing, 2, 1, 3, 2, and now we reverse it. So we just walk back down. Again the 3 comes, the 1 comes, 2 comes. Okay, so if you look at just these notes, these 6, 7 notes, so we go 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. You see, you just walked up and walked right back down. Okay, and after that the last notes, 0, 3, 1, 0, all on the second string, and then you just do an A minor chord, E major chord, and an A minor chord. Very good. So if I play this part one more time to you very slowly, sounds like this. So we have that actually completes your song. So, without wasting any more time, let's head to the play along and see how you do. I really hope that you were able to learn this beautiful song in its entirety and you had a fun time doing so. Now, if you have queries, any song requests, suggestions, or doubts, then feel free to leave a comment right there in the comment box below. If you really like this video, then hit that thumbs up button as it really motivates me to make more such content for you. Now, if you want to see more of me, then as we all know, that subscribe button is your way to go. And you will see me again with more fun and easy to learn songs made specially for you. For today, that's all from my side. Have fun, take care, bye bye.